Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2005 Cadillac CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, power passenger seat, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.